How air purifiers can be harmful and aggravate health conditions. In this video, I'm going to talk about how air purifiers can actually be harmful to your health and discuss some of the side effects that they can cause. Stay tuned. Those who have asthma may also need to avoid air purifiers as they can cause wheezing and breathing difficulties, triggering an attack on the illness. How air purifiers can be harmful and aggravate health conditions. Many people with allergies, asthma, or other respiratory conditions rely on air purifiers to help them breathe more accessible. Air purifiers can be harmful because they can produce ozone gas. Ozone is a powerful oxidizing agent that can irritate the lungs and worsen asthma and other respiratory conditions. Another problem with air purifiers is that they can trap in or pollutants and allergens inside the house. Air purifiers can create a buildup of allergens over time and suffocate the good bacteria in your home that help break down contaminants. Types of air purifiers in U.S. market. There are three main types of air purifiers in the United States market: mechanical filters, activated carbon filters, and ozone generators. Mechanical filters are the most common type of air purifier. They work by trapping particles in the air through a filter. The disadvantage of mechanical filters is that they can clog up quickly, significantly if the air is polluted with particles such as smoke or dust. Activated carbon filters use a particular type of carbon to trap harmful chemicals and pollutants in the air. Ozone generators use ozone gas to kill bacteria and viruses in the air. Ozone is a potent oxidizing agent that can cause health problems if breathed in over a long time. Ozone generators should only be used as a last resort when other air purifiers are not effective. What type of air purifier good for health? A mechanical filter is the best option if you are looking for an air purifier that removes particles from the air. If you are also looking to remove odors or chemicals from the air, an activated carbon filter would be better. Do air purifiers do more harm than good? If you suffer from allergies or asthma, many doctors recommend using a HEPA filter because these filters help reduce allergens in the air. If you don't have allergies or asthma, you may not need an air purifier. Research shows that air purifiers can help people with allergies and asthma, but there is some debate about whether they are helpful for other health problems. Some studies suggest that air purifiers might help reduce sick building syndrome symptoms and improve the overall quality of life for people living in polluted cities. However, more research is needed to say if air purifiers effectively reduce these other health problems. They can only reduce the number of particles in the air. So, if you consider using an air purifier to protect your health, it is helpful to know how much of a difference they can make. Houseplants have been found to remove pollutants from the air around us. Choosing an air purifier. There are many kinds of air cleaners on the market, and each one works differently depending on what type of pollutant you need to remove. If you want to remove odors from your home, choose an air cleaner with a carbon filter because these filters absorb pollutants such as smoke, chemicals, and other scents. These days, it's easy to compare the effectiveness of different types of air purifiers using research data published by government agencies and non-profit organizations like the American Lung Association and Consumer Reports. Another study, published in the Journal of Allergy and Clinical Immunology, found that children who lived in homes with HEPA air filters had more asthma attacks and needed more medication than children who lived in homes without HEPA filters.